Yo, I decided I was gonna make me a hash brown casserole, vegan style. All it is, a few simple ingredients. Got the impossible sausage already on the skillet. The Tony Chachere's, the no salt, and the Cajun seasoning. You gotta keep it a little spicy. Just added my three things of salt-free Mrs. Dash, just egg, and also the seasoned black pepper. Got everything. Got the possible meat on the skillet. Added the hash browns to the mix. Added my veggies. You already know how I gotta do. You know how it goes with the veggies. Added everything together. Stir it around. Put it inside a small pan. Added the just egg to it. Guess what? Time to pop it in the oven. Oh yeah, can't forget to top it off with the cheese. It wouldn't be a casserole without the cheese. Looking good. Now it's time to eat.